This farro and lentil salad with feta and pistachios features dried apricots plumped in a warm honey, balsamic, garlic, and herb dressing. Place the dried apricots, balsamic vinegar of Modena, water, honey, fresh thyme, and garlic in a small pot. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then cover with a lid and turn off the heat. Set aside for 15 minutes. Remove the apricots from the liquid and cut each apricot into quarters. Set these aside in a large mixing bowl. To make the dressing, first discard the garlic and thyme stems. Add the lemon zest, lemon juice, cumin, and pistachio oil into the balsamic vinegar mixture, and season to taste with salt and pepper. Add the warm cooked farro and lentils and the red onions to the apricots and toss with the dressing. When ready to serve, toss in the arugula, feta, pomegranate aerials, and pistachios. Season to taste with more salt and Aleppo pepper. Enjoy your healthy, hearty, and delicious grain salad with balsamic apricots.